Alright, hello. I'm back with another video. I just showed you the terminal commands, getting Linux running on a Windows computer. So now we're gonna come to here and ROS Noetic. So in case you missed the last part, I'll go here, here, and I'll make sure all of these things are checked so that we can install stuff. Alright, that's checked. And why is my thing like this? Some more. Let's mix some things up. So settings, displays. Do I want a 16 by 9? Well, this doesn't look good. I probably messed up. Alright, I broke it. We're gonna close the machine. Power off. Boom. Start. Sure, switch. Maybe it's fixed now. What's the host key? Right control. So if I hit right control, that exits, I think. Okay, it's fixed. I'm gonna try one more time to see what happened with settings. Displays. Yeah, there's something up with this. I'll try a 16.9, but with this. Keep. This is looking decent. Okay, I think I fixed it. So now it's not so zoomed in anymore. Oh look, and ROS Noetic came up. Okay, so we're gonna start doing this. There is a one-line command I saw from Anthony, but I'm gonna go through this because I don't know if his thing does all of ours in just one script, but we gotta make sure it goes here. Oh, okay. So when you're copying and pasting, you're gonna hit Control C here, but when you go into the terminal, if you Control C, I don't know how to delete all. I'll just undo. When you Control C, this happens. It just a caret and then a capital C. So instead, you gotta hit Control Shift. Oh, I hit Control C, Control V. I hit Control V. I hit it once, nothing happened. I hit it twice, that happens. So clear that. Control Shift V does this. And then, alright, sudo, so I gotta put my password in. Okay, we're gonna do half. Alright, set up keys. We gotta install curl. So Control C, Control Shift V. Alright, and then Control C, Control Shift V. I'll trust that. Sudo app update. You can see here it's saying update but not upgrade. It seems like this one's the more common of the two. And then we're gonna get this one because we want everything. It says here everything in desktop plus 2D and 3D simulators and 2D 3D perception. We need these simulators and perception in order for us to use all of the tools available for ROS. Because we're going for full autonomy, we need this perception and simulation. So here we'll control shift. Wait, did I even copy this? Copy, paste, and then this should take a while. So ROS base plus tools like RQT, RViz. RViz is what we're gonna use for 3D perception, and RQT is like all the cool stuff we get to have, like the GUI tool that they call it. What happened here? Oh, okay, this is a virtual machine. So we do this and that, and then do you want to continue? We hit Y, enter. Here's a terminal. And so while that's installing, we're gonna make a new terminal. Right click, new window. So I'm gonna start teaching Linux commands here. So all right, first let's look in files. You can see I have all these files, and this is home. And just look, these are all like basic template files. So here I'm gonna do this little caret things means we're in the home directory, and the directory is just like a folder. So this templates is a directory with nothing in it. This documents is a directory with nothing in it. So we're gonna make a directory mkdir, and I'm gonna name it geo folder. Now if I do cd, which is change directory, and I put geo folder, I'm in the geo folder. So now I go back to files, and here's geo folder, and we made that using mkdir, which is make directory geo folder, and then it puts the name after. Now we can open here, and there's nothing here because we haven't done anything. So now let's do something here. Make dir geo fo2, and then let's make another one geo fo1. Oh shoot, I didn't put a space. And then how this works is you highlight the letter, and then you could type before the letter. So I put a space here. It's like insert. Make 3 geofold1. Then let's cd into geofold1, and then we'll make another something here. Make directory inside, and then we'll cd inside. Then we could, what can we do inside here? I think nano. Okay, nano geo. So now here, when you hit nano, you could type into like this. Since if you put an old name, I'm pretty sure you open up that text file. But if it's a new name, then it creates a new text file. So here I'll just put, here is some text. And then down here you can see all your options. I wanna exit, so I'll hit Control X. That's what this caret means. It means Control X. Save modified buffer, yes. So I'm gonna hit Y. File name to write, geos. I hit enter, and then that's there. Okay, so we go back into our folder, all right, home. This folder did not exist before, but I made make directory. And then because I changed into the geo folder directory, so here, I'll go back here, cd, and then this squiggly line. I think that's I don't know what it's called, sorry. But you do that, and you go all the way back to the main home folder. So let's cd into geo folder, and then this time we'll cd into geo fold 2. Geosfold 2, sorry. Geosfold 2. And then now let's do cd dot dot. This takes you back one directory. So it moves you back one. And then the squiggly sends you all the way back to the beginning. So okay, yeah, that's still updating. So now let's look at this, and let's look at this. So I make the directory geofolder. Think of a directory as just a folder. I just made a new folder. I open up this folder. I made two more directories, geofold2 and geofold1. You can see both of them here. I then changed into geofold1. So I open up geofold1 because I went into it, you can see here, I'm in geofold1. This is your newest directory you're in. So inside, which is within geofold1, which is within geofolder, which is within the home directory. And so if we open up inside, you can see that this is the text file I was editing earlier with nano. Here is some text that is saved. I think there's also okay, so CD, and then if you want to skip multiple folders, so what do we need? We need to go to geofold1 slash inside. And so you can see geofolder, geofold1. Do I need to put a comma here? Or, oh, I'm spelling inside wrong. The inside. Alright, what's going on here? Maybe I do need this gone. I was in geofold1, right? Yeah. Okay, there we go. CD geofold1 slash inside. So now I skipped 2 directories to go straight to the inside text file or the folder. And then now I do gedit, which I'm in the inside directory now. So I'm in this directory. So I go here, I'm inside this folder right now. Click inside, gedit, geos, and I open up the text file right away. So now I can come here and go second time around, save, close, and if I open this text file second time around, it saves. So you could use nano or gedit. Oh, I'm looking at just Windows again. Let's look at the other terminal. Still going. Okay. I'll keep going with the Linux commands. What else is there? I'm pretty sure you could copy. So we could cp geos and then let's do geo. And now we made a second file that's exactly geos and is copied. And then I'm pretty sure let's add from geo and let's add third time around. Let's save this, close it, and now let's copy geo into geos. Now remember, right now geos only has second time around. So let's close this, let's hit enter here, and then let's open up geos, and now it has the content from geo. I probably should have changed these names a bit more. Sorry about that. Let's see, what else is there? CD, go back to the normal directory. There is history. Let's do, how many commands is this? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, like 20. Let's do past 10. Now this shows the last 10 commands we've done. And then you can see there's a history of 25. Let's do, I think history goes back to like 1,000. I'm not too sure, but 1,000 does not sound like, or it sounds like a lot, but you get through 1,000 pretty quick. So let's look at history, just all of them. Look, these are all of the commands you've used before. So if you forgot a node command you used, you want to open this up. Then, hold on, let me check the other terminal. Still going. Okay, cool. Oh, I'm only halfway. Nice. So I could keep going with this. Let's see. We could use git clone. So git clone, and let's open up GitHub. Do I have to sign in to use GitHub? Yeah, I do. Okay. Not sign up. Sign up. Why is there so many signups? Where's sign in? Sign in. Pretty sure my name's Giovza, and this time I won't say my password out loud. Oh, well, I guess I got it wrong anyways. Whoa, this is not good. Oh, it's probably because it wants me to like make it super protected. So it's this one. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Let's look at which one is this. Pretty basic. There's not a lot here. Okay. Um, I don't want to code something with a lot of stuff. Uh, oh, I guess this folder doesn't have a ton of stuff. All right, so we're gonna open up GitHub here. We're gonna go to where's. All right, we're gonna full screen this. There we go. Code. We're gonna copy this URL. You could do any GitHub URL you want. Oh shoot, I keep messing this up. Where? There you are. All right. First, let's check the terminal one more time. The other one. All right. And we'll go git clone. Actually, let's not go into the home directory. So I want to set it up in, let's say, geofo2. So how would I get to see geofo2 from here? So we're going to do cd geo folder. Ah, I should have done both at once. I guess this is the lamer way. And then cd geos fo2. Now we're gonna git clone control shift v. Oh, okay, we got a sudo apt install git, and I gotta type my password again. Yes, you just hit Y and enter to continue. Oh, okay, this is done. All right, so we got ROS Noetic. I'll show the git clone, and then we'll move from there. So now we're gonna do the same command. I'm just gonna hit up on the arrow, the up arrow twice, and you can start like scanning through history as well, but one lane at a time. So we'll do this one, git clone, and then the URL. Done. Okay, so now I go here, open up geosfo2, and then now you have another folder, which in GitHub, that's just called the repository. You have this repository now within geosfo2. So now open this up, open up geo, and then you have all this stuff here. Cool. And then the other one is pip install and then whatever. And pip install is just the same thing as git clone, but instead of copying a GitHub repository, you're copying a Python package. All right, so now let's go back to ROS. Oh, okay, right. So we're not gonna download anything right now. Ooh, actually, we might need this. Not right now though, but we'll have to come back to that. Um, let's search here. Let's see how many packages there are to install. So okay, that's the mess around folder. Here's the true mess around terminal. Sorry, this is the true terminal. Control Shift V. I've searched ROS Noetic, and they should give us every single package. So there's a ton. Is Joy on here? Actually, I should check if I have all my packages on here. ROS Noetic Joy J LMN. Nope. JKL. Nope. J. Joystick. Joy stuff's here. Okay, cool. This is how to connect the Xbox controller. So we got to make sure we have that. All right, let's continue on. Sorry. Wait. Oh, Z bar. I thought I said LiDAR. You must source the script in every bash terminal you use in ROS. It can be convenient to automatically source the script every time a new shell is launched. These commands will do that for you. Okay, yeah. So we're gonna do this echo. Actually, we gotta do the 50-50 again. This time we'll have the terminal on the right. So we're gonna do echo source this. Now off the ROS Noetic setup bash. And then Control C, Control Shift V. So what this did, let me follow this through. Echo means I think you type a line in, or like it repeats back to you. So let's see, the path is opt ROS Noetic setup.bash. And then what did we add? Source dot bash rc. This is okay. I actually don't know what we did here. We're gonna just ignore that. Just we did something. It wasn't completely useless. So I'm pretty sure I did this right. We'll just move on. Hope for the best. Oh, now we're installing Python 3. Nice. Okay. So the big difference between Noetic and Melodic is that this one, Noetic, is Python 3, like native to Python 3. So we want Noetic because we want to use Python 3, because Melodic use Python 2 and it's like really just old. So we want more up-to-date software, so we're gonna go with Noetic or see how that works. And if it doesn't work out, we'll revert back. We have time because I'm teaching you guys everything now, so this should speed up the calendar a bit. What I do here? I did this big one. So now we're gonna do sudo apt install python 3 ROS step. And then that's done. So now we do this. Oh. And then I'll just type this one out. ROS step update. And that is it. You should have Noetic installed. There is the one-line installation. Actually, I'll check that out. Oh, okay, I see. So yes, there is this one-line installation. I don't know how great it is. This is what Anthony showed me. If you want to try this, you can. It'll make it a lot easier. I probably gotta put this at the beginning of the video. I'll put a timestamp. Alright, yeah, I'll figure that out. But I'd say do it this way just cause it's more specific. I don't know how good this thing is. I'd have to look through it and I'm too lazy to do that. But afterwards we're gonna go through ROS tutorials and then I'm gonna start teaching you guys ROS. So right now you guys got a pretty good understanding of Linux. So I'm gonna finish Linux cheat sheet. I'm gonna make sure I showed you guys most things. Okay, I can't open that image more. Make directory, show current directory, but like it should show you already. Change directory, yeah. cd dot that, yeah, go back, or I guess let's go up. List, oh yeah, you could list. Okay, so it's not here. Let's go back to this one. Okay, cool. So let's go back to geo folder, and I'm gonna do ls, and ls lists everything within that folder. So let's go. Let's get out of there. Let's go geo folder, and oh yeah, I have these two. So I'm gonna copy this stuff. I probably shouldn't be doing this, but I'm gonna show you. Control V here. Now we have all this stuff here. You saw before the ls, it listed just these two. Now hit ls again in the geo folder directory, which I'm in right now. So if I go home, open the geo folder, we're in the directory. I hit ls, enter, and now it lists all of the files and meta stuff and folders here. So now you can see all of that, and I guess it does alphabetically. Okay, that's what ls does. Let's see. No. Oh man, this like helps you get like control of stuff. I don't know exactly what. Okay, you don't want to mess with these yet. This could, but basically it just like basically sends you to a specific directory without you having to do much. Cat concatenate. Okay, so this adds two files together. Cat file 1, file 2. So if I did cat geo1, cat geo2, then it would just add the 3 lines from each together to get 6. Locate file. Okay, so let's see how this works. Geo folder. So if I do locate, what I call this? Geofold 2. Oh no, geofold 1 inside geo. Okay, locate geo. Oh, okay, so we got a sudo apt install mlocate. There we go. Now we do locate geo. Oh my god, what was that? It listed everything. I'm sure that's not what we wanted. I just have a feeling something went wrong here. So ignore the locate file. I actually never used it. I thought it was gonna be an easy. Maybe you could do where is for command. No, that's command. I actually don't know how to use any of this stuff. I just go into here and start looking. Or I remember, I like stay within one thingy. I don't know grep. So this is search files. I don't understand this actually. So I'm gonna have to go over this in our class or whatever. You're gonna like learn these things from ROS. Anything else you need to know? I think that's about it for the most part. Chmod. Okay. Yes. Alright. Chmod. Or chmod. I don't know what it's called. Or chmod. Whatever. So basically, alright, I should write this out. Chmod. 4 equals read. I forget actually. Sorry. Chmod 421. Read. Yeah, it is read. Okay, so 2 equals write. 1 equals execute. So, chmod, you get 3 digits you have to solve for. So you see 754. The first one is user, second one's group, and third one's overall. So because it's just your machine, you don't really got to worry about group, and I think this is like everybody. So execute. There we go. So when I do chmod, I just do 777. So what this means is I get to read, write, and execute. So you add these 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 is 7, and then same here 7 and 7 for everybody else. And because I'm not worried about getting hacked or whatever, I don't care about these two sevens. I just put 777 just so it works all the time. But if I did 6, well, it's an even number, so it cannot be execute because execute makes it odd. So it's 4 plus 2. So that means I can read and write, but I cannot execute the file. If I have just 1, then that means I can only execute the file because, well, I mean, 1 plus what's going to give you 1, 0. So if I have 3, that means I can execute and write, but I cannot read it. And then if I have 5, that means I could read and execute. And then let's say this one was 6 and this one was 4. Then all of these things mean different things, and it means one specific thing. It does not like imply that maybe there's like 2 things it could be. It's one thing and that's it. So this one is you could read and write. This one's you can read. This one's you can read and execute. And anything else? Permission files. Yeah, that's here. Oh, there is something with PS, but I don't fully get that. So I think this is everything for now. We'll check one more cheat sheet. Oh, okay, this is actually pretty cool. Okay, yeah. RM means you delete a file. Present working directory, make directory. Alright, I'll quickly go through ones that are kind of important. Hostname, you don't need that unless you're like IT. Or you're gonna do the wireless part. Move. Okay, so you can move a file to that. But I think you could also create one. Or like rename it. Yeah, you rename it if file 2 doesn't exist. And I think everything here is fine. I saw they said something about so geofolder ls, and then there's a lot of p. So if I do lsp, lsp. No, okay. I thought it lists all the ones with p, but I guess it's not doing that. File permissions. I explained this already. Networking, you don't got to worry about that unless you want to do it. I understand these, but I won't teach everybody, just the people who want to. Installing packages. I don't know yum, but yeah, yum is used to install some stuff. I don't know what it exactly means. I know yum. I know tar is also used for installing. And then the wget. Locate name. Okay, so I do locate geos. Oh, I guess you get. Oh, it just names everything with geos. Okay, I see. So I do locate geos dot txt. Oh, I guess it doesn't exist. um. Oh yeah, SSH file transfers. Yeah, we don't need anything else. Okay, sorry I wasted your time. I tell you one more thing, but these are all the basic commands you need. Holy shit! I'm 34 minutes. I'm sorry about that. Actually, no, we did a lot. You you learned Linux in Unix commands. That was very important, and you installed ROS. This is great progress for 34 minutes. It let's see, September 10th. You probably watched this before September 16th. It took me up until uh well to install ROS probably like October 15th, and then by September 16th, I'm thinking on September 16th, if we're going 3 to 8, so 5 hours, we finish all the ROS tutorials, which I'll show a bit of that now. all of this up until I don't even know what ROS WTF is. And then we won't need bag file because that's what we're gonna have the other people do. Recording and putting back data, that's also bag file. So we're gonna do 1 through 16. That's I'd say everything that's everything everybody in our team is gonna have to know. And then we could get 1 through 6 like instantly. Yeah, we finish this by next week. So by Friday 16th, you guys are gonna be you're gonna fully understand ROS. Not fully understand. You gotta go through this a few times. But you get the full basics down. And so that took me up until I'd say about Christmas. It was on Christmas when I started learning or I was able to start doing network configuration. So we'll be about October, November, December, 3 months ahead of schedule. What took me 3 or 4 months to learn, you guys are gonna learn in a week. That is great. Congratulations, guys. I'm glad you guys figured everything out. Um, I think I don't know. I'll test you guys in class because I guess I didn't really let you guys do a lot of practice. So we'll go through it and see how you guys do in class. But as of right now, congratulations. You just sat through almost 40 minutes of footage and you've learned quite a bit. Alright, I'm going to call it for tonight. It's getting a little late for me. You guys take care and enjoy yourselves. Take a break. Alright, goodbye.